Hello and welcome back to the GraspOverr. Today we will be watching how to connect the external device to your Android application for testing purpose. First of all, we will create an application empty views activity. We will let the Gradle build finish. As we can see, the connection is reset, so we will try again for Gradle build. After checking all the files, here we can see the Pixel 4 API 30 has been used as an emulator, which is an inbuilt emulator for Android Studio application, but we want an external emulator, so we will connect our phone here. First we have to go in the settings, in the about section of the mobile, and in the software information you will get the build number. You have to tap 7 times. After tapping, you will access the developer options. Here you will get USB debugging option. Just enable it and connect it with USB to your laptop and allow the USB debugging for your laptop. As we can see, we have connected our phone. Here automatically your phone will be accessed by the Android Studio. As you can see, as I am using the Samsung, so Samsung can be seen here. Now we can run the application. I will display the mobile screen also once the indexing and Gradle build is finished. Here we can see the application is launched, and this way you can use the external device as your emulator and test your applications. For more such videos, keep watching the GraspOverr. If any issues or queries, please put it in the comment.